Hi there. I'm Steph Lone, the global leader for solution architecture for media, entertainment, games, and sports at AWS. Super excited about what we're showing here at IBC 2025. We are really focused around three themes. First is Agentic AI. The second is around live news production. And then the third is around our European sovereign cloud. So those are the three big main themes that you'll see at the booth. First, I think let's talk about the European sovereign cloud. We have a lot of expertise here on the booth to talk about digital sovereignty, data residency, and security and resilience in the European countries, within the European countries. Another area around what we're doing on the booth is live cloud production and live news production. So in collaboration with the BBC and Sky, we are showing for the second year our implementation of cloud native agile production against the open source project for the time addressable media store. So on the booth, we're showing actual live feed from UK Parliament coming in, being ingested into Reuters TAM addressable media store. And then AWS is picking up that content into their own time addressable media store and showing near real-time live distribution out to other third parties. So we're super excited about that. And then, of course, big highlight of the show would be Agentic AI and what we're doing with Agentic AI. We have 43 demos here on the booth, and out of that, over 3/4 of these demos are showing generative AI or AI in some way, shape, or form. And of that, over 1/3 of them are showing Agentic AI. And we're seeing a lot of customers wanting to do one of two things with Agentic AI, either cost efficiency and cost savings, or generating more revenue for their companies. So we have several different demos down on the booth that are showcasing both of them. In talking to customers, there's three major themes that they're looking at. One is how to create content in the cloud. The next one is how to connect their workflows together. And then the third is really how to captivate their audiences and get more engagement. So some of the Agentic AI and AI use cases that we're showcasing are let's start with the create content side, is things like automated highlight clipping or synopsises. We're also showing off localization of content and translation of content in a live environment. We're also showcasing for content creators the ability to take clips out of their native tools, like Avid, for example, and take a segment out and then use Agentic AI to do super resolution and bring it right back into their editing environment. So these are just a couple of ways to be able to create content using Agentic AI. Another big area that customers are looking at is connecting their workflows. Interoperability is highly important to us at AWS, and not only are we showing off the time addressable media store that I spoke about earlier, but we're also showcasing the EBU's dynamic media facility has a way to exchange data with the media exchange layer. And so we have a demo on the booth showcasing interoperability between multiple partners using the EBU's MXL standards. We are also showcasing our media lake guidance and how to basically bring in content through a media supply chain through a composable stack. And so you can basically ingest your video, run video understanding against this, create a bunch of pipelines, and have agents that look at each part of the step of your media supply chain, all the way from ingest to distribution. Captivating your audiences and generating more revenue is really important to many of our customers. So we have several demos down on the booth. One is showcasing immersive and interactive viewing experiences. So working with tiled media, we're showing F1 and showcasing multiple personalized feeds that a user can user can switch to while they're watching a live race. So voice-controlled movie searching is another really interesting demo that we're showcasing, being able to interact with the remote and talking to your TV and getting personalized content back. What should I watch tonight? So that's another great demo that we have here on the booth. We work with enterprises as well as small businesses. So we work with companies big and small. Another great demo that we're showing on the booth is ways for small and medium-sized businesses to create video ads for their companies. And so we've created an ad server that a small or medium-sized business who doesn't have the same budget as a larger enterprise can create their own 30-second commercials on the booth. So that's another really great demo that we're showcasing here at IBC 2025. Last and maybe not least, we were also showing off an agentic workflow for advertisers and advertising agencies on how to do media planning automated. So from RFP through fulfillment, having an agentic workflow will considerably, reduce the time and be more efficient and produce a lot more cost savings for ad agencies and for advertisers to get and fulfill the RFPs that they're seeing from the ad agencies. We'd love for you to visit our website for IBC 2025.